Hey everyone, I'm Lauren Messiah. I'm a stylist in Los Angeles. Today I'm going to be your stylist and show you how to work the preppy look into your wardrobe. Now the whole preppy thing, it used to be totally not cool. It was like Zach Morris and Saved by the Bell, then it was Gap, and it was just like, it kind of had this thing where it just fit a certain person. But now with shows like Gossip Girl, being preppy is super cool. So my personal style is more edgy and kind of rock and roll, but even I can do preppy. So I have on this great little J. Crew blazer. I love J. Crew, love them so much. You know, and it's kind of like the schoolboy type of thing. Paired it with a white button down, again, something really preppy. But then I added a bow tie, which is preppy in nature, but mine is leather, so it gives a little rock and roll edge. I added some sequin skinny jeans and these pointed gold pumps. So I have, you know, the preppy in there with plaid, with the schoolboy cut, with a button down, with the bow tie, but I've added in my own flavor to personalize it to my style. And some other great preppy clothing tips comes right from Gossip Girl, and it has to do with hosiery. Now on Gossip Girl, I don't know if you're a fan, I'm a huge fan. There's a lot of leg wear, so it's, you know, red tights or purple tights. It's just all about the tights. These from Wolford are amazing. They actually have little bows printed all over them. Now what's more preppy than a bunch of bows? To add to that, what I would do is do more plaid, kind of a take on the whole schoolgirl skirt. But this one is by Margiela, so it's very high fashion, but it still has that preppy look to it. So bows and plaid, super preppy and awesome. And then on top, I would just add, you know, this kind of like Letterman jacket. Kind of says school to me, kind of says preppy, but it's still versatile, so it's not over the top preppy. This one's from H&M, really affordable, really stylish. So those are a few tips to get the preppy look. Plaid, bows, button downs, just add those into your look and you're good to go. So there's a few tips on how to get the preppy look into your wardrobe. For more style tips and to find out where I got this fabulous bow tie, you can visit my website, laurenmessiah.com.